Alright, what are we about to do here?
We're about to check the
Compression on our
5B.
Yep. Alright, we'll take that spark plug on out.
No.
Yeah, one of you at a time. Jace, open up the compression tester.
The compression tester.
Bring it over here, set it on the floor. Don't drop the spark plug because you break it. Let me see. Alright, pop that bad boy open. Don't spill it. Put it down on the ground so you don't drop it. Alright, you need the hose. And then you need the one that's going to match this. Which one does it look like?
Probably this one.
Yeah, you think so, huh? That's a good pick. Alright, so screw that in like it's a spark plug.
No, I did not.
Yeah, put it in. Come on.
Heck yeah. Perfect. Do we put this on?
Yeah, but, yeah. You gotta pull it back. It's like an air hose.
What, pull this back?
Yeah. No, this. Put it in there. Push it.
Push this?
No, this.
Put it in.
Oh, right. Oh, here, screw that on. Don't worry about that yet. Screw that onto that.
I did. Oh, this? Got fresh gasoline in it.
We're not worried about gas. There you go.
That is broke. Stop. Then we're going to put this and see how much it is.
Yeah.
What is this supposed to be? The end one?
What? What's the numbers that we're looking for?
Yeah.
Let's see. Push it in there. Push it.
Is
Push
it
it.
supposed to be on red or green?
What you think?
Green?
Alright. Alright. So now, got that all hooked up. Somebody hold the buggy. No, that just releases the air.
Like open
Grab our cranker over tool.
What's our cranker over? Oh.
We gotta put it on there, hold it straight now. And, whoa, now hold it on there straight. Alright. Now watch our gauge. Give it a little more gas. Alright, whoa, let off,
Crap,
stop.
it's on red.
Yeah, it's on red, huh? So what you think, what's that number that it's giving us?
6.5.
No. See, it's in between the 30 and the 60.
Okay, so
Jace, quit with the gas. It don't need to turn over no more. Stop. What's the number that it's giving us? You guys gotta figure it out.
are these ones right there? Put that
They're
thing?
tens. So 30.
30.
Next one would be what? What's after 30?
40.
Right.
50.
So that's about 45 maybe.
Is that good or bad?
That's junk. We want like up here, baby, 120 at least.
Well,
So what's that mean?
I was barely giving. We got a junk motor.
Yeah, it needs what?
Rebuilt.
Right.
So are we gonna get a new motor?
Yeah, we
Go
might
over.
rebuild it. Take that off.